Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Eye Care Optum. So today I'm going to discuss about trial lens selection for contact lenses. When it comes to trial lens selection, we should look for three main factors. First one is total diameter for contact lens. Second one is base curve for the trial lens. And third one is estimated power for the trial lens. First, the total diameter will be calculated as HVID plus 2 mm. Here HVID is horizontal visible iris diameter. If patient has 12 mm of HVID, with that we have to add 2 mm. The final diameter of the contact lens will be 14 mm. Second one is base curve. Base curve is the radius of curvature of the back surface of the contact lens. For selection, you can go with two methods. One is add 0.8 mm to the flat K, or the second one is select 0.6 to 1 mm flatter than average K. Here we have a formula of base curve equal to 337.5 divided by D. Here D is average K. If patient has average K of 45 diopter, base curve equal to 337.5 divided by 45 will get 7.5 mm. Here we need to select 1 mm flatter than this. So final base curve of this trial lens will be 7.5 plus 1 mm. It will be 8.5 mm. Third one is estimated power of contact lenses. Here we have a formula of back vertex power equal to F divided by 1 minus DF. Here F is spectacle power, D is vertex distance in meter. If patient has a refractive error of minus 5 diopter and vertex distance of 12 mm, according to the formula, will get 4.72 diopter. So the estimated trial contact lens power will be 4.75 diopter.